कैसे स्टूडेंट? आज हम स्टार्ट करेंगे कोलैप्स ऑफ लंग मीन्स pneumothorax. Pneumothorax occurs when air enters the pleural space between lungs and chest wall, disrupting lungs expansions and causing partial or complete collapse. Types of pneumothorax. Primary spontaneous occurs in otherwise healthy individuals, often due to ruptured subpleural valves in 10 teen young adults. Secondary spontaneous occurs in patients with underlying lung disease. Example: COPD, asthma, TB, cystic fibrosis. Traumatic due to blunt or penetrating chest trauma or medical procedures. Example: biopsies, central line ventilations. Tensions pneumothorax, life-threatening one-way air leak that progressively raises intrathoracic pressure, causing mediastinal shift and hemodynamic compromise. Open pneumothorax. Air passes freely through an open chest wall defect. Risk factor. Risk factor आएगा include smoking, tall thin habits, family history, underlying lung disease like that COPD, asthma, TB, mechanical trauma, and certain procedures. Clinical features. Symptom: sudden sharp unilateral chest pain, breathlessness, rapid shallow breathing, tachycardia, possible cyanosis. Exam finding: decreased breath sounds, hyperresonance, reduced chest expansions, intentions pneumothorax, tracheal deviation away from the affected side, and jugular venous dissection. Diagnosis and imaging. Physical examination strongly suggest diagnosis, but imaging is required for confirmation. Chest X-ray, ultrasound, CT scan. Chest X-ray shows visceral pleural line. Ultrasound, highly sensitive bedside tool showing absent lung sliding or compact. CT scan, reserved for complex cases. Management guideline, small stable pneumothorax. Observation with supplemental oxygen and repeat imaging in 7 to 10 days. Small primary spontaneous case often resolve spontaneously. Needle aspirations, large or symptomatic. Chest tube thoracostomy. Insertion into the triangle of safety. Small bore for spontaneous, large bore for traumatic or tension cases. Tension pneumothorax. Immediate needle decompression in the second intercostal space at mid-clavicular line, followed by chest tube. Do not wait for emergence. Recruitment or persistent air leak. If air leak or non-expense persist beyond 1 week, considers surgical intervention wets with bale resection and pleural doses. Complications and prognosis. Complications: re-expansions, pulmonary edema, like that, infection, respiratory failure, bronchopleural fistula. Follow up. Patients educations. Avoid flying or scuba diving until fully resolved. Quitting smoking, awareness and recurrence risks. Follow up imagines. Thank you, student.